What's up, guys? JP Hunts here. Check this out. We're in my relic room / workshop. This is where I've been fortunate enough to be able to restore, repair, preserve many relics that people have sent me from across the country, but even local relic hunters who have sent me items. And that's what I want to start this video out by saying thank you to those relic hunters who have trusted me with your items. I really do appreciate. I know it takes a lot to send your cherished items off to somebody to repair them or restore them. So to those relic hunters, thank you for trusting me with your items. With that said, that's what I want to start out with. This video is going to be all about. And this is a local relic hunter who has trusted me with his item. Actually, I shouldn't say local. What am I saying? This is a relic hunter from Tennessee. Okay, he has trusted me with a very special item, an OVM buckle. Okay, but it's not a normal OVM buckle. It's the OVM Mini. So for those of you who don't know what OVM is, it's a Ohio Volunteer Militia buckle. Super rare, but I've seen the photos he sent me, and I've talked to him on the phone. This thing is horrific. It's an absolute mess, okay? And he is just wanting me to do what I can, okay? He's got no high expectations. He just wants me to do what I can to try to make it a little bit more presentable to where he can display it and then hopefully maybe pass it down to future generations. So that's what this is going to be all about. Kind of nervous about opening this because I've seen the photos, but photos are one thing, but to actually have it in your hand and see it in your hand is a different thing. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and take photos of me taking it out of the box, and that's what this video is about. And we're going to show the buckle in the beginning, some in the middle, and then towards the end, the restoration at the end, the complete repair job at the end. I'm praying to God that it's going to turn out. So wait and see. But like I said, this thing is horrific. It looks like it's been plow struck so many times. It's just absolutely ridiculous. You can barely recognize it. And let's see what the end results are going to be. I'm really nervous about it. So taking pictures along the way. So cross your fingers. I know I am. Stick with me on this, guys.